Welcome back, my friends. John from the Live for Wild channel. This is just a channel update, health update. I will be in surgery tomorrow. Just give an update. A lot of people ask. I'm getting a total knee replacement tomorrow around noon. I really didn't want to do this video, but it just one of them things. You know, I'm not begging for attention. There's other people that need more attention. You know, like C-Max, Mr. Holster. Just got this in the mail yesterday. Didn't get a chance to even open it up. But just give me a second. T-shirt. Come on. Support Mr. Holster. He's fighting some cancer, so is C-Max. They need your prayers more than I really do. I'm just going in. What happened is the lower part of my prosthetic broke. I'm not a lightweight guy. I'm a big guy. I got a severe limp. I tore a ligament. I fell in the garage. I'm pretty active. So, and one thing I miss is getting out on hiking, doing a lot of stuff. For what I go through, I'm pretty active. But I want to be able to control the pain, get rid of the limp, get moving faster, get out and hike a lot more, get out in the woods, do some camping and stuff. Right now I'm not very stable on uneven ground. But I did shoot IDPA match last Wednesday. I did pretty well. Took 7th in my classification, service pistol. Now, if I wouldn't have shot 2 hostages, I would have done a lot better. I think I would have ended up with 3rd or something like that. But did well. I love it. I got projects going on. Little slide. How come muzzle loaders, everybody neglects muzzle loaders? Here's a muzzle loader. Look at my brother's. Everybody puts a muzzle loader away and never cleans them. This one needs to be cleaned. Some of my family members dropped off some guns for while I'm down. I'll do updates. Maybe I'll do an update at the hospital, what's going on. I'm not sure what they're doing. They're going to put a longer, in where your bone marrow is, they're going to put a longer rod in there so it's more stable. I know the first 2 or 3 days I'm in a lot of pain. I've had this done before. Last time I quit taking pain meds the day after. I thought I was a tough guy, and it takes a lot to get your pain meds back up. I was almost in tears. So, but yeah, getting surgery. I'm excited. Working on dieting, watching my sugar and that kind of stuff. But I'll be doing fine. Just think of all these other guys that have it worse off than I do. Just, if anything, throw a thought and prayer out there. I really didn't want to do this video, but I really appreciate every one of you guys. This community is just so awesome. And make a bunch of videos for me to watch. The next couple weeks, I'm going to be up and down. They want me walking 2 hours after the surgery, but just short distances. And then I'll start building up. So you might see some stupid walking alongside the road videos from me or something. I don't know. I'll keep you updated. I'll show you some pictures of surgery or afterwards, what it looks like. Maybe I'll do it before. I'm excited about getting rid of this limp so I can kick some farmers' butts. All right. Love you guys all. Take care. Wish me luck, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.